Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Socially Awkward here with another awkward review. So today we're going to be reviewing the Ravpower solar charger, aka the solar panel. So let's get right into it. When getting the Ravpower 15-watt foldable dual-port solar charger, you will realize a few things. One thing you'll realize is that it is a bit smaller than you would think. However, it's also a bit heftier than you would think, but in a good way, like it's a good, high-quality, well-built product. And the 15-watt folds out into 3 individual solar panels, allowing you to capture the maximum amount of sunlight. Now, Ravpower highly recommends that to get the best charge out of your solar panels, you set them out on a very sunny day in direct sunlight. However, the day that I was recording, it was not very sunny. It was pretty cloudy that day. But even though it was very cloudy, I still managed to get a very nice charge out of these solar panels, which is very nice. The solar panel also comes with a nice little pouch on the side where both of the USB ports are, as well as an area where you can put your device, like your phone, if you're charging it. It's not large enough to fit a tablet or even a battery bank. It's still very nice though. However, I do wish it was a zipper just because I don't want anything to fall out, any cords or anything like that. It does charge phones. However, I've also been able to charge my Kindle Fire and phone at the same time with it in a good direct sunlight. However, I would definitely recommend that you use a Ravpower battery bank. You can use any battery bank, of course, but I would recommend the Ravpower battery bank, which I do a review on, link in the description if you want to check out that. And the cool thing about the dual ports is you can charge 2 devices at the same time, which, let me tell you, has really come in handy, especially while camping. I just love this solar panel. I've taken it camping numerous times, and it's always saved my butt. This is the older model of the solar panels, and Ravpower has put out their newer model of this same solar panel, as well as a, I think, 24-watt solar panel, which is made from better materials and better made. However, this is still a really good product. I was not able to find this exact one, so I will be linking the new one in the description for you guys to check. This Ravpower solar panel also comes with 4 little carabiners which you can attach to the 4 eye holes and pretty much put up anywhere you want. You can even put it on the hood of your car and charge up your devices that way. It really depends on how creative you are. You can pretty much lay them anywhere. They're not waterproof, although they are water resistant, which means that a little bit of dampness won't hurt them at all. But they work extremely well. Funny thing, while I was in the middle of recording this video, my phone actually started to run out of power, and so I ended up plugging my phone into the solar panel and keeping it charged that way. It's a really great way to get clean and free and efficient energy anywhere you are as long as there's sunlight. But this is just my opinion on this solar panel. I've used it for many years now, and it has never let me down. And I will of course be leaving the link to the newer version of this solar panel down in the description below, as well as more awkward reviews if you guys want to check them out. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And as always guys, stay classy.